Hello, my lovely viewers. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, viewers? Today I am trying Morma fish for lunch. So, viewers, I am frying these fishes wellly, and now its color is brown, a brownish color, looking very beautiful. And now I am frying onion slice, chili, green chili slice, and garlic slice. These ingredients are smelling very nice. This smell is tickling my nostrils. I am trying this, and look, viewers, its color is brown. Viewers, I am frying very wellly, and the smell is very nice. Viewers, now I am adding red chili powder, turmeric powder, garlic paste, onion paste, and cumin paste, and now I am frying it uh, very wellly, and the smell of frying is tickling my nostrils. Viewers, now I am adding water. uh, Viewers, I want to tell you one thing. uh, I used ingredients, water, oil as I needed for the cooking, and it will be better for you uh, if you use ingredients, oil, water as much as you need for your cooking. So, viewers, now I'm adding some salt, and used I used salt for this cooking as much as I needed. So, viewers, now I am adding these uh, ingredients with the frying fish. Very carefully I am adding the ingredients, and it it's smell it's smell very nice, viewers. Now I will cook it for 10 minutes. For I am adding some water, and giving the water in the frying fish, viewers. It's a smell very nice, smelling very nice, viewers. Really, uh, you can see the smoke of cooking on the screen. So, viewers, the fish is ready. The fish fry is ready. May Allah bless you, keep you happy and healthy. Allah Hafiz.